Our registry data is organized into 3 different sections. This includes methods, ratios, and utilities. For this part of the demo, I'll present a hypothetical scenario that illustrates how public access users can navigate the methods section. In other words, search function capabilities available to any user regardless of their sponsorship status. For the methods section, we collect information on the key characteristics of each article. Search filters include information on diseases classified by the global burden of disease cause levels and ICD-10 categories. The country, outcome measures in QALYs or DALYs, intervention types, study publication year, and many more. For this scenario, let's now imagine that the Ministry of Health from Ghana is looking for cost-effectiveness evidence that could inform an essential health benefit package. Examining existing economic evidence or considering the value for money of different interventions could be a great strategy for these decision makers. Using our available search filters, let's assume the ministry is interested in available CEAs related to pharmaceutical interventions. We'll start with the most major update to our registry, the data visualization page, which includes a high-level summary of disease distribution, intervention types, and study countries. Right at the top, you can see that their search turned up 22 unique CEA studies. Of those 22 studies, a majority focused on infectious diseases. Also, it looks like a handful of CEAs studied other interventions such as care delivery or screening, alongside pharmaceutical interventions. In addition to studying Ghana, the heat map shows that other sub-Saharan African countries were included in the studies they've searched. The ministry can download an image of any of these figures by clicking on the camera icon that appears at the top right corner. For the Ministry of Health in Ghana, the data visualization page is a great way to get a quick snapshot of all of their search results. Let's return to the results page and view these CEAs in depth. Each of these boxes represents an individual CEA study labeled by the article title. By clicking on the plus sign beside each box, they'll get additional reference information about that specific article. They can also customize the data that is displayed within these boxes by clicking the eye icon at the top. Let's go with country and publication year. Details of every study can be viewed at once by clicking the plus sign at the top. Let's assume the ministry is only interested in studies published recently, like this one published in 2019. Let's check it out. In addition to the reference information and full abstract, they'll get more details about the key study characteristics of this article. These include variables such as the perspective, which appears to be healthcare payer for this study, the time horizon, which is 50 years here, and the discount rates used, 3% for this case. To return to the full results page, scroll to the top of the page and click on the arrow on the left. When the ministry is satisfied with their search, they can download their results as a CSV file. Premium access users have the ability to download all available variables, while public access users can download each study's citation information. Additionally, premium access users could further refine the results using other post-search filters. All in all, the ministry has found 22 CEAs that studied pharmaceutical interventions in Ghana. If they want to expand their evidence base, they can conduct additional searches for other interventions or countries.